Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariowit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to exchange RAM, or add RAM memory to your motherboard in your PC. Okay, I will introduce you how to do it. So first what you need, turn off your computer. Okay, and now you must put your computer in good position to add RAM to motherboard. You may see, I will show you where is exit, where is place to put your memory RAM. Okay, it is here. I have one memory RAM and I want add second memory RAM. Okay, so here's what we need to do is take memory to your hand and you must put it put it carefully with fingers, and now you must use two fingers on the left and right, and you put, and as you can see it is wrong way. Okay, I put it, and now you must click two fingers from left and right side. Okay, and when you hear it click, you did it. But when you want exit, put off this memory RAM, you must click on this button and you may take it. Okay, I will show you on my computer now my memory RAM. Must write DX diag Windows information ITAR. Okay, and as you can see there is very good amount RAM, 60 and 60. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others. Bye bye. See you next time. Thanks.